have you ever gotten to that point where you're like, you have to sneeze, but it's not coming? Look at a light, and you'll sneeze. Right? Yeah? So in the same way, if you have to sneeze and you don't want to, look at something dark. Look at something dark. I don't know why. And I will warn you, if you look at something dark, and then you look at the light, you'll sneeze, okay? It won't cure you, but to stop it immediately, look at something dark.
Wow. Yes, when you look at something dark, you can stop sneezing.
I mean, if you're like on a roll, like, probably not going to help. Right? That probably won't help. But if you're like, it'll help. It'll help. And the opposite, if you're like, if you look at the light, you'll sneeze. So, any other ideas if you're